Let's talk about Stalker Spock's installation error fix. Stuck it in a symbol, and come way we'll go step by step. But don't despair, we're here to guide you through the digital anomaly and get your Stalker installation moving again. Get ready, because we're about to explore various troubleshooting steps and proven solutions to fix this infuriating error, and finally, unleash the Zon.
First up, let's try the classic fix all a full power cycle. Hold down the Spock's button on your console for about 10 seconds until it completely shuts off, then unplug it from the wall for a minute or two. This isn't just a simple restart. It clears out any lingering cat or stubborn processes that might be jamming up your installation. Plug it back and power it up, and give Stalker another shot. If the hard reset didn't work, our next suspect is your network. Head into your Spock settings and check your network connection. Make sure everything looks healthy and your NAT is open. Sometimes a simple router restart can work wonders, or even trying a wired connection. If you're currently on Wi-Fi, a stable, robust internet connection is absolutely critical for large game downloads, so let's ensure yours isn't the bottleneck. It might sound obvious, but insufficient storage space is a common culprit. Double-check that you have more than enough free space on your Spock's internal drive or whichever drive you're targeting for Stalker. But if you're installing to an external hard drive, try molding the installation target to your internal storage, or even swap out the external drive entirely if you have another. Sometimes the issue isn't the download itself, but the drive struggling to write the data. As a last resort, consider canceling the current installation and starting fresh. Head to your games and find Stalker cancel the download, and then try initiating it again from the Spock store or your Game Pass library. While you're at it, quickly check the official Spock's live status page online. Occasionally, service outages or specific game server issues can cause these frustrating installation halts. A fresh start combined with healthy servers often does the trick.